Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love makes every gathering special. In your presence, my heart feels home. Time spent in love is never wasted. Every hug tells a story of love. Love grows when shared. Together is a wonderful place to be. Happiness is being with you. Love is best when celebrated together. Love brings us home, always. The best place to be is with loved ones. In every hug, love speaks louder. Together, we make love a celebration. Side by side, heart to heart, laughter, love, and lifelong memories. A heart full of love is never alone. Together, we are unstoppable. Life's best moments are shared with love. One love, many hearts, endless joy. Love is the reason we gather. Every reunion is a love story. Cherish the moments. Embrace the love. Love is the glue that binds us. Nothing is sweeter than love-filled gatherings. Love is in the little moments. Love brings us closer, no matter the distance. Hearts connect where love exists. The best memories are made with love. Love makes the simplest moments magical. Where love is, life is beautiful. Happiness is love in action. A gathering without love is just a meeting. Together we shine brighter. Smiles are brighter when shared with love. Love is not just said, it's felt. The best gatherings are wrapped in love. Love multiplies when we are together. Where love resides, joy follows. Memories made together last forever. Together we create magic. With love, every moment shines. Where love is, life is beautiful. Happiness is love in action. A gathering without love is just a meeting. Together we shine brighter.